The foundation of success in life is good health. That is the substratum fortune. It is also the basis of happiness. A person cannot accumulate a fortune very well when he is sick. Good health is essential for a fulfilling life. It's the bedrock upon which we build our dreams, our careers, and our relationships. Without it, everything else can crumble. Imagine trying to achieve your goals while battling a serious illness. The energy and focus required to succeed would be diminished, replaced by the constant strain of managing your health. Health insurance provides a safety net against the potentially devastating costs of medical care. It's a way to transfer the risk of large, unexpected healthcare expenses from the individual to an insurance company. By pooling resources, insurance companies can offer protection to a large group of people. Think of it as a collective investment in well-being. Each person contributes a relatively small amount, known as a premium, to a larger pool of funds. These funds are then used to cover the medical expenses of those within the group who become ill or injured. Health insurance isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Just as our health needs vary, so too do the types of coverage available. Navigating the world of health insurance can feel overwhelming. This guide aims to demystify the process, providing you with the knowledge and tools to make informed decisions. We'll delve into the different types of plans, the costs associated with each, and the key factors to consider. Understanding health insurance is an essential aspect of financial planning.
While health insurance provides a crucial safety net, it doesn't cover every single medical expense. There are certain costs that policyholders are responsible for, known as out-of-pocket costs. These costs typically include deductibles, coinsurance, and co-payments. Imagine your health insurance plan as a safety net with a few strategically placed holes. These holes represent your out-of-pocket costs, the portion of your medical expenses that you're responsible for. Understanding these costs is crucial for planning your healthcare budget. Navigating deductibles, your financial threshold. One of the most common out-of-pocket costs is the deductible. This is the amount you must pay for covered healthcare services before your insurance plan begins to pay. Deductibles can range from a few $100s to several $1,000s. Think of your deductible as a financial threshold that you need to cross before your insurance coverage kicks in fully. Once you've met your deductible, your insurance plan will begin to cover a larger portion of your healthcare costs. Some plans offer preventive care services at no cost or for a reduced co-payment even before you've met your deductible. Sharing the burden, coinsurance, and MOOP. After you've met your deductible, you'll typically share the cost of covered medical expenses with your insurance company through coinsurance. Coinsurance is a percentage-based split where you pay a certain percentage of the costs and your insurance company covers the remaining portion. For example, if your plan has an 80-20 coinsurance structure, you'll pay 20% of covered medical expenses. To protect you from catastrophic medical expenses, health insurance plans typically have an annual out-of-pocket maximum, or MOOP. Once you've reached your MOOP, your insurance company will cover 100% of eligible medical expenses for the rest of the year.
The Affordable Care Act, or Obamacare, transformed US health insurance. Signed in 2010, it addressed pressing healthcare issues. Before the ACA, millions lacked affordable insurance. Insurers could discriminate against pre-existing conditions. The ACA aimed to rectify these inequities. It expanded coverage and improved affordability. The ACA ensured comprehensive, affordable coverage for all. Leveling the healthcare playing field. One of the most impactful aspects of the ACA was the prohibition of pre-existing condition exclusions. Before the ACA, Insurance companies could deny coverage or charge significantly higher premiums to individuals with pre-existing health conditions. The ACA's guaranteed issue provision mandated that health insurance companies must offer coverage to all individuals, regardless of their health history. This provision, along with the elimination of lifetime benefit limits, represented a significant shift in the healthcare landscape. No longer would individuals face financial ruin due to a pre-existing condition or reach a lifetime limit on their insurance coverage. Empowering consumers, expanding coverage. The ACA introduced a number of provisions designed to empower consumers and expand coverage options. One such provision was the creation of health insurance marketplaces, online platforms where individuals and families could compare and purchase health insurance plans. These marketplaces aim to simplify the process of finding and enrolling in coverage. To make health insurance more affordable, the ACA established premium tax credits, also known as subsidies. These subsidies help to offset the cost of monthly premiums, making health insurance more accessible. Essential health benefits, a new standard of care. The Affordable Care Act established 10 essential health benefits for all qualified health plans. These benefits ensure comprehensive healthcare services for maintaining good health. The ACA aimed to standardize coverage, ensuring all Americans had access to essential care. Open enrollment, your gateway to coverage. The Affordable Care Act introduced a system of open enrollment periods, creating designated times when individuals and families can enroll in or make changes to their health insurance plans. This system aimed to provide a predictable and structured time frame for enrollment. The annual open enrollment period for ACA-compliant health insurance plans typically runs from November 1st to December 15th. During this time, individuals can enroll in a plan for the upcoming year, switch to a different plan, or update their existing coverage. It's important to note that if you miss the open enrollment deadline, you generally won't be able to enroll in a health insurance plan until the next open enrollment period, unless you qualify for a special enrollment period. Special enrollment, life's unexpected turns. Life is full of unexpected twists and turns impacting your health insurance needs. The ACA offers special enrollment periods for unforeseen circumstances. Qualifying life events include changes in household or employment status. Losing job-based coverage makes you eligible for special enrollment. Other events like marriage, birth, or moving also qualify. Essential health benefits, a foundation of care. The Affordable Care Act established 10 essential health benefits for all qualified health plans. These benefits ensure comprehensive healthcare services for overall well-being. The ACA aimed to standardize coverage, providing a baseline level of care for all Americans. Services include ambulatory care, emergency services, hospitalization, maternity care, mental health services, prescription drugs, and more. Navigating the metal tiers, finding the right fit. To simplify the process of comparing health insurance plans, the Affordable Care Act introduced a system of metal tiers: bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. These tiers categorize plans based on their actuarial value, which represents the percentage of healthcare costs the plan is expected to cover. Bronze plans typically cover around 60% of healthcare costs, while platinum plans cover around 90%. Silver and gold plans fall in between, covering approximately 70 and 80% of costs, respectively. While plans with higher actuarial values generally have higher monthly premiums, they also tend to have lower out-of-pocket costs, such as deductibles and co-payments. Section 1. Metal tiers, weighing costs and coverage. The Affordable Care Act, ACA, introduced metal tiers: bronze, silver, gold, and platinum to simplify comparing health insurance plans. These tiers categorize plans based on their actuarial value, representing the percentage of healthcare costs covered. Bronze plans cover around 60% of costs, while platinum plans cover around 90%. Silver and gold plans cover approximately 70 and 80% of costs, respectively. Each tier balances monthly premiums and out-of-pocket expenses.
Group health insurance, often provided through employers, offers several advantages over individual health insurance plans. One of the most significant advantages is cost-effectiveness. Because group health insurance pools risk among a larger group of people, it can negotiate lower premiums with insurance companies. This means that individuals enrolled in group health insurance plans typically pay lower monthly premiums compared to those purchasing individual coverage. Moreover, employers often contribute a portion of the premium costs, making group health insurance even more affordable for employees. Another advantage of group health insurance is the streamlined enrollment process. Instead of navigating the complexities of the individual health insurance market, employees can typically enroll in coverage during their employer's open enrollment period, simplifying the process and ensuring access to coverage.
Comprehensive major medical insurance plans provide a robust safety net for individuals and families, covering hospital stays, surgeries, doctor's visits, prescription drugs, and preventive care. These plans combine basic and major medical coverage, offering lower deductibles and co-payments until the annual out-of-pocket maximum is reached. Think of comprehensive coverage as a financial safety net with smaller holes, providing greater financial protection. While these plans may have higher monthly premiums, they offer peace of mind knowing you're protected from potentially devastating medical bills. Section 4. Navigating the world of group health insurance. Group health insurance plans offer different levels of coverage and cost sharing. Two primary types are group basic medical insurance and group major medical insurance. Basic plans cover essential services with lower policy limits. Major plans offer comprehensive coverage with higher policy maximums.
Section 1. Individual health insurance. Charting your own course. Self-employed, part-time, or without employer coverage. Navigate individual health insurance. It offers diverse plans for various needs and budgets. Premiums are based on individual health history, age, and location. The Affordable Care Act ensures coverage and subsidies for eligible individuals. Major medical insurance. Shielding against significant costs. Major medical insurance plans provide comprehensive coverage for a wide array of healthcare services, shielding individuals and families from high costs. These plans typically cover hospital stays, surgeries, doctor's visits, prescription drugs, mental health services, and preventive care. They often have deductibles, coinsurance, and out-of-pocket maximums, determining your costs before insurance covers more. Indemnity plans, also known as fee-for-service plans, represent a traditional approach to health insurance. They offer greater flexibility in choosing your healthcare providers. You can see any doctor or specialist you prefer. Typically, you pay up front and submit a claim for reimbursement. The insurance company reimburses a portion of the costs. Indemnity plans often have higher premiums compared to managed care plans. Managed care plans offer a structured approach to healthcare with a focus on cost containment and coordinated care. These plans have networks of providers who offer services at negotiated rates. This results in lower premiums, but may limit provider choice. Understand the plan's network and rules for out-of-network care. Out-of-network care can lead to higher costs or no coverage.
In the journey of life, our health stands as a cornerstone, underpinning our ability to pursue our dreams and build a secure future. Health insurance plays a vital role in safeguarding our well-being, providing a financial buffer against overwhelming medical costs. Understanding deductibles, coinsurance, and plan types empowers you to make informed decisions about your coverage. By understanding health insurance, you're taking control of your healthcare journey. Ask the right questions, compare plans, and advocate for your needs. Make informed decisions for your health and financial security. Health insurance isn't one size fits all. Choose based on your circumstances, assess, compare, and seek guidance if needed. Navigate well-being with confidence.